Hey everybody, it's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso.com. In this video, we are going to be taking a close-up look at the full suite of Baja Designs roof bars for the brand new Ford Bronco. And there are 8 different options. I'm going to take you through all those to help you make your decision on what's going to fit for you. And the roof is a great location right there above the windshield because it puts the light high up, allowing you to shoot light way down the trail and diffuse it off to the sides. And because you have either a long bar or linkables, you can get 20, 30, sometimes 40,000 lumens of light up there. That is a ton of light. And of course, because it's not low to the ground, it's not going to light up the foreground as much. It makes it much easier to see off into the distance, which can be very important, especially for high-speed driving at night. And of course, it looks great, makes your Bronco look awesome, and it's easy to install because the Bronco is set up to receive an accessory right there. It's even pre-wired, and we'll show you how to do that in our installation guide segment. And then we're also going to take the Bronco out at night and get some night footage just to show you how bright these lights are. Now, as usual, we're going to put links to all these products in the description. Those links will take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can shop for these products and much, much more. And there you can reach us on live chat or call us anytime toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. And all these products are made by Baja Designs, and those are the self-appointed scientists of lighting. They call themselves that because of how they approach designing, developing, and manufacturing these incredible products. And these are born literally out of the harshest conditions you can imagine. Trophy truck racing down the Baja Peninsula. And the racers that are entrusting their lives to these lights need these things to not fail in the line of duty, because if they do, they've got a lot more to lose than just that race. Those harsh conditions produce a product that Baja Designs can put a lifetime warranty behind, and they're going to outlast and outperform the competition. Baja Designs offers their roof mountable kits in 8 different configurations for the new Bronco, but we can break that down into 3 major groupings. First, the Onyx 6 Plus roof bar, the S8 roof bar, and this XL linkable version that we've got right in front of us. Now, each of those kits are available with either the toggle switch harness, which is a separate switch that would get mounted, or you can use the Upfitter harness and tie into those OEM auxiliary switches, and I'm assuming almost everybody's going to want to do that. Now, every single one of these roof mount systems is going to come with the necessary brackets that mount in the factory location and all the mounting hardware, and as I mentioned, the wiring harness that you choose, whether that's toggle or Upfitter. So I'm not going to talk about the mounting hardware. Your main decision is going to be which lights do you want. And so we'll start by talking about the Onyx 6 Plus light bar. Now, this is going to come in 2 different configurations. The first is going to be the highest level of light output that you're going to get from any of these Baja Design systems. And it is a ton, 46,150 lumens of light pulling on 28 amps, which means just about going to max out that maximum OEM switch on your Bronco. And that thing is going to have an all clear lens, and it's a driving combo lens, which is going to send some light way up the road and some light spread out, but that is just a ton of light in general, and it's the brightest option. So if that's what you're looking for, maximum light output, that is going to be your choice. Now, that's going to be on one switch. They also offer their Onyx 6 Plus bar in a dual control bar that has a combination of clear lenses and their amber lenses. And this is going to be set up to be on 2 separate switches. The 2 outside yellow lights can be on one switch. We recommend switch number 2, and the center lights are going to be on switch 1. Now, this bar is going to put out about 39,000 lumens if both are on, if the whole bar is lit up. So it's a little bit less light output. But the important thing to know about this bar is, number 1, you get more control. It's like 2 lights in 1. Also, the center lights with the white lenses, the clear lenses, those are going to have their racer boards. Now, these racer boards actually drop down in the amount of lumen output that they have, but the way that the LEDs are designed, the way that the boards are designed, and the way the lenses are designed, they actually send light further up. So it's really designed for high-speed desert driving. So it might be lower light output, but you get a lot more flexibility out of this light, and it's a really unique design in that Onyx 6 Plus dual control. The next offering from Baja Designs is going to be the 50-inch S8 light bar. Now, this is a straight light bar again, but is a low-profile, slimmer design than the Onyx 6 Plus, giving it a really sleek, nice, low-profile appearance. But it's still going to put out a ton of light, 32,250 lumens, and the most popular thing about it is that it features an amber backlight. That amber backlight is hugely popular, and it can either be set up on a separate switch or hooked up to your daytime running lights. And the best thing about this one, it costs a couple $100 less than all the other options that we're talking about here. And the last option on the list here is the option that we've chosen for our Bronco build, and that is this very unique looking XL Linkable. Now this is made up of 8 individual XL Sport pods, each of which put out 3,150 lumens for a total of 25,200 lumens of light output. Still a ton of light, but it is the lowest amount of light output of all the options that I've covered here today, but it's more than enough for us. We've got 10,000 lumens on our A-pillar, and we've got lighting in our bumper as well. And so this is going to meet our needs. We really like how this looks. This is a spectacular looking light option that is totally different from most of the other things out there. It also gives you a tremendous amount of configurability thanks to the unique linkable CNC machined aluminum powder coated connectors that are here that can be loosened and changed to change the curve of the light bar. You can run it straight the way it comes, or when you're mounting it up, you can loosen each of these and give it some natural curve, either to match the curve of the windshield or curve it a bunch so it sends light all over the place. Whatever you're looking for, you can achieve with this XL Linkable. It is the most configurable of all the options we discussed here because it comes with 4 spot lenses, 2 driving combo lenses, and 2 wide cornering lenses that send the light everywhere and diffuse it, but you can change any of those lenses anytime you like to other lens types. You can make them all spot and send all 25,200 lumens way down the trail. You can change them over to the amber lenses, or you can go with their rock guard lens covers as well, which is a simple cover that snaps on, and you can go from clear to amber in a jiff on the trail side. No big deal at all. And there are 2 things that are slightly different about this kit than the other 2 kits we discussed, and that is first the preload bar. Now what this is a little rubber foot that sits on the center of your roof and supports the center of this bar. This system is heavier than the other light bars we've discussed, and so getting that additional center support helps to make sure that this thing doesn't move or flop around in any way, shape, or form. Now it also comes with the lens covers, and this is handy if you live in a state where actually having exposed roof bar lights is illegal. Now we live in one of those states and we've never had a problem, never gotten a ticket, but it's just nice to know that you can have those in the glove box and slap them on to get out of a ticket if you run into trouble. All right, we hope you found this video helpful. We'll put a link to this XL bar right here. That'll take you over to Motoroso.com, and we'll put all the links in the description for the other light bar options as well. On Motoroso.com, you can reach us on live chat, or you can call us toll-free at 833-MOTOROSO. Now, if you're looking for additional lighting, check out the A-pillar light system from Baja Designs. It's gonna match this XL Linkable really, really nicely. You've also got their smaller Squadron option. We detail all the lights and an installation guide in that video there. Subscribe to our channel for all of our upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.